boys. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys.
That's the new peak.
Hey man, we got a big video today. First off, guys, just want to give the video a huge thumbs up, comment down below. It's no secret we're not being recommended right now because of my past actions. So let's tell YouTube we're sorry about giving my channel a little more engagement. Although not sorry, because I thought it was funny. But comments, thumbs up down below, all that really helps, man. We got a giveaway going on right now too. We're giving away this bust down watch right here from Shop GLD. If we hit 2,000 thumbs up within the day. So there's a little incentive. Boys, appreciate it. Hit the notification bell, blah, blah, blah. Let's get it. Alright, man. So like yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, I got like really mad and I smashed my phone. It's not the first time we've done it a few times. Now this morning after I got it fixed, I hopped on my Instagram and I swear to God, bro, you guys are awesome for this. I had like at least 100 people hitting me up on the tags, like tagging me on things. Yeah, you do that on Instagram. I'm like, bro, what's going on? Something big's happening here, you know? Like, am I on the wanted list again? Do the cops want me? What's going on? Turned out to be good news. Apparently 6IX9INE has come out with a new chain and you guys have been requesting like crazy for me to react to this thing. Now here's the fun part, bro. I have not seen this chain at all yet. I saved it for this video. I do know it's a real thing, one, because everyone tagged me on it, and two, you know, like when you tag me, I could see a little picture of what you're tagging me on. I could see you got something new. Don't know what it is. I'm stoked for this, boys. Another reason why this is a big thing for our channel is, as you guys know, whenever 6IX9INE comes out with a new chain, all these companies think it's a freaking good idea to start replicating them. I think it's ridiculous. I don't know who the for example, who's buying this, bro? We do, because we can make content, and then we take it to pawn shops and try to sell it for lots of money. So I got this chain, it's my buddy's, so I kind of stole it from him or whatever. But he's trying to pay child support, and I'm just wondering if I could get as much money out of it as I can.
We wouldn't purchase.
As I said, I stole it.
No, we wouldn't be able
I shouldn't have said that. It's stolen goods, but just off my buddy so he can do what he needs to do.
to. Is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke. I vlog my life because I'm kind of a character. People think I'm like maybe mentally challenged, but I'm actually not. So nothing, Could you throw me a bone here? Like maybe we could trade for something that I can maybe sell for more here? Oh, it's good. I just turned off the camera, buddy. I'm gonna leave anyway. You have nothing here for me. It's Treyway! It's Treyway! Editor's note. More of those coming soon, by the way, boys. Love to do them, although I'm banned from every shop like that / mall in the city. So we gotta wait till I can start to travel again. Anyway, back to the video. They're still coming though. But literally, it's so fun when these come out. So one job actually, when this comes out as a replica, tag me on it. We're buying it first. This whole collection. All his most notable pieces we do own right now. We got a little spinny one right here. I think that was one of his first. The 6IX9INE jigsaw pendant right here. And we got this. So anyway, boys, let's check it out. We're excited about this, apparently. 6IX9INE's new chain. Let's hop on the computer. I'm gonna react with you guys. It looks like we're reacting to a video. It showed. I don't know. Who knows? It's 6IX9INE. You don't know what to expect. Oh, man, cool. We never do reactions. I'm excited for you boys to ask me to frickin' do one. This is sick. I'm somewhat of a reaction artist in my mind already, you know? I just sit down and I think about things daily, and that's reacting, so I may as well film it.
That's the new peak.
Instagram loaded. Dang, that looks really good. What is that?
I saw this toaster hack, so I turned it into...
Sorry. Alright, we're already getting started. Can't skip it. My bad. Got a little coffee. We ain't sitting in this video. Let's go 6IX9INE. This is exciting. Let's get it. I haven't seen this. This is gonna be real reaction. Holy mother of God. Is that it? That's it. That's it. That's it too. Can it play videos?
Take a look at this.
Alright, chill on the swears, bro. Oh God.
Chains, huh?
I can't have that on YouTube. Holy God.
Put y'all friends on the back of the chain. Put y'all friends on the back of the chain. I put baguettes on the back of my chain. Double sided. Look at me, son. Look at me. See you promoters, you DJs, you scammers, druggers, when y'all walk around with the little fuck, what they got on.
Okay, I'm sorry, we got it. Where's that? Holy God, man, look at that thing. I gotta sit for this. Mine changed. Yeah, we just gotta mute that. This 6IX9INE is not really good for YouTube, I'm not gonna lie. What in the God? $1 million on a chain. Best chain in the effing game. My chain costs more than your whole chain piece and watch. Run on sentence, love it. He poured water on it. That's crazy. He probably said it's icy. Jesus God. I want the volume on. I'm extremely stoked for this. So what do we think about this, boys? Alright, we saw that enough. What in the... It spins? I don't care, like... I don't know how to react to this too much because I don't necessarily care about his new chain, but it is fun content for the channel, like I say. I think it's dope. I'm assuming this is music. I ain't trying to get copy. Yeah, so we can't be doing that. We're gonna mute that. Yeah! The thing's gnarly! What else do you want to say about it, boys? Craziness. One thing I do see here too on his page is, didn't he say something pretty bad about King Von, bro? Yeah, it looks like he deleted that. He's got Meek Hill here. The one thing I'm actually seeing right here, but he's in the club. After saying all that craziness, dude doesn't care I don't know how long he's gonna be honestly able to like do this club stuff. I know he's protective, but man, he's gonna get caught lacking at one point. He just can't be doing this. Although none of these rappers seem to be doing anything about it, and it's probably a good thing. All right, we got a story here. I think so. Holy God. So we got the Takashi Murakami is what it looks like type of style with the shark. You know, we got the 6ix9ine. Okay, we can't be having those words on the screen. 6ix9ine. YouTube catches it. Beauty! Beauty! That's what it is, boys. That's a close lick for you. What else do we say? Except for the fact that I own them all already. And we're about to own that one. There's the words again. We can't have that. Wild. Beautiful piece. What's the last story? Alabama. Alright, so it's a quick flex from 6ix9ine. Short video, boys. Close look. As close a look as you're gonna get, because this is all I guess we've seen so far. I gotta go back to this thing, man. This actually shows the size of it. Is that thing double-sided? It looks almost... That's double-sided, too. On the chain, boys. That's what I thought I saw at first. So we got like baguette diamonds on that side. You got the friggin', oh my God. Intermission, this video is brought to you by our website with the link down below, namebrandfam.com. Boys, we got a lot of jewelry on there that's very cheap. And when I say cheap, almost all of it's free. All I ask you to do is pay shipping. Boys, you're looking at the screen right now. You see that? Now you wanna buy that. Buy it right now. Please, please. Helps us with video money and stuff like that. You can actually add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys. Don't add 1 thing to your cart, add 2 things, pay 1 shipping, namebrandfam.com. We appreciate you, me, us, nice. Okay, so there it is, boys. That's what it is. I think we can shut this off now, right? Screen recording, stop recording. Wow, I actually recorded it this time. I never usually remember to do that. Craziness. What do we think? One thing, I mean, it could easily be $1 million. There's a lot of gold on there, but 6ix9ine likes to flex, man, and I don't necessarily know how truthful he is all the time. I know he speaks facts a lot of times, a lot more facts than what people want to hear, or at least we're made to believe that he speaks facts. I don't know if that's $1 million. Didn't he just say his shark chain was like 14 or like 1.4 mil? I'm pretty sure that could have been with the watch he was talking about that he also got, the chandelier, just completely baguette style watch. Craziness. There it is, boys. Your one job now is to let me know when that piece drops for us to purchase it. We're gonna do it, and I'm gonna take it to pawn shops and once again try to pick up girls with this cool chain that I have. It's gnarly. I don't know what else to say, boys. Hopefully there's no videos on this. If there is, well, here's my reaction. You go watch the other ones. There's a close look at 6ix9ine's trade. Appreciate y'all for watching. Where can the game girls while time? Things nuts. Leave your comments down below. This is like a discussion that we have to have. I can't even talk anymore. That's kind of why we're cutting this off fast. I'm really, really jittery. Really jittery. Coffee on coffee. Love it. Appreciate you guys. Stay in the screen next time, Brandon. It's probably the best move. Bye.